This is Wadi. We'll go for boating. We will go for boating, where you can see some turtles as well. So this is the beautiful place. First adventure, day 1. Some mountains, lots of boats. These boats we will take. This is the driver.
أقولك تقدر تعدي من بعد الليخ كذاك كذا فوق تعدي من بعد الليخ. أنا أنزلها الماكينة من بعد الليخ. ليش اللي كذاك؟
Are we swimming till the whole thing or just till the land?
There's some fish. Some fish. They have fish net here to catch some fish for their food. This brown one is just like the island, on like you can walk on that.
There's bottom.
It's like an island.
There's bottom.
Soil.
Bangus, talakito, pana.
Ah, bangos. Tilapia coming here also?
Tilapia 1 kilo.
Oh.
That is maliit, that is bigger. I'm working before in Ras Al Khaimah.
Ah, okay.
In the fish farm. Not for tourists, for fishing.
Ah, only for fishing.
So now where you take this?
I'm taking that same tabang boat.
Inside?
Yeah, because this after low tide. You want to go afternoon.
So you are Omani.
Yes. I'm working Ras Al Khaimah 5 years. I'm diver in the fish farm.
Oh, okay. This place fish pond or no?
No. It's normal. Fish going and coming.
Ah, okay. Yes.
Only me yesterday I know there is shell here.
The place is Bandakaran. So it's crowded on weekend.
Local also coming.
Local mix. Yesterday 9 o'clock Indian people going to island. Sleeping there after coming morning.
Camping.
Family camping. There is many camping here. People immigrant.
Camping.
Inshallah.
Contact.
Okay, give number.
Call you 10, everything.
Ah, they'll camp here, bo? Across that thing?
One of the islands.
Bo, that is the best. This is seawater or?
Sea water, salt.
Lots of fish here. Yeah, see, jumping fish. Woo, jumping. What is this, milk fish? Bangus?
No, it's banak.
Banak. Oh, so many. So many jumping fish. You didn't see dolphin, but we have seen jumping fish bala. Not a dolphin. Jumping jack. So nice. You can
60,
camp
80.
here also. You can camp here. Camping site in the island.
People he do snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
Here too much. This turtles.
That's a fish. Feeding time.
Too much current. No sun still.
We have landed back to the land. We're landed back to the land.